Welcome to my channel. I decided to make this video followed by other videos since there are many beginners who would like to understand the basics of sewing. I used to sew some years ago and then became interested in other things, but now I am back to sewing. This is an overview of basic sewing machines for beginners, but it all depends upon what you're trying to accomplish. But I'll show you 6 brief videos with sewing machines that beginners can select from if they want, but there are other sewing machines available as well. Joann's Fabrics and Crafts is one of my favorite craft stores for a lot of my sewing needs, such as fabrics, threads, and notions, and other things. They sell sewing machines as well. This is the Singer Start 1304 Essential Sewing Machine. This machine is good for beginners. Stitch lengths and widths are preset and has a 4-step buttonhole feature that allows you to add buttonholes in 4 easy steps. It also has 57 stitch applications to choose from by selecting the turn of a dial. You can slide off the removable extension table to use a free arm, which is a removable part to sew hard-to-reach areas, for hemming pants and sleeves or sewing other small projects. Accessories are included. This is the Singer Tradition 2277 sewing machine, which is the one I own that I've made several projects on. It offers a variety of stitches for sewing a range of fabric types, which has 97 different stitch applications to choose from for your projects. The stitch width is adjustable and you can make buttonholes in 1 step. A free arm is included. Basic accessories are inside the removable storage compartment. This is the Singer Fashionmate 3342 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine, which has the basics you need to start sewing. It has 110 different stitch applications with adjustable lengths and widths. And you can sew buttonholes in 1 easy step with this one as well. Accessories are included too. The Singer Sew Easy foot should be included to help you sew perfectly straight seams. This is the Singer HD 4411 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine, which can sew fabrics from jeans to canvas, and these are extremely durable fabrics. It has a powerful motor for extra high sewing speed to save you time. It also has 69 stitch applications as well as a 4-step buttonhole maker, which means the machine takes 4 steps to make the same type of buttonhole, so you can make buttonholes with ease on various fabrics. Accessories are also included. This is the Singer HD 6380 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine, which is similar to the Singer HD 4411 Heavy Duty machine I just mentioned before this one. But this one has 110 stitch applications with a 1-step buttonhole maker. It may or may not come with a table. Accessories are included as well. This is the Singer HD 6800 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine, but this one is computerized and can also sew jeans, canvas, as well as other items. It has 568 stitch applications with a 1-step buttonhole maker. It also has a built-in lettering and mirror imaging, which is pieces of the same exact shape but cut in opposite directions. This is to create unique projects. You can also check out this sewing machine comparison guide from Joann's that lists different sewing machines to help you make a decision. I will include the link in the description box below.